बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है लॉ ऑफ ट्रीटीज़ एंड रिजर्वेशंस। सो रिजर्वेशन जो है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे। अ स्टेट में वाइल साइनिंग, रेटिफाइंग, एक्सेप्टिंग, अप्रूविंग or acceding to a treaty formulate a reservation. Reservation means a unilateral statement, however phrased or named, made by a state by which it extends to exclude or to modify the legal effect of certain provisions of the treaty in their application to the state according to the Article 2. Formulating reservation is permitted unless the reservation is prohibited by the treaty or is incompatible with the object and purpose of the treaty. The next is other states may accept or object to reservations. Article 309 of the 1982 Convention on the Law of Sea provides that no reservations or exceptions may be made to the conventions unless expressly permitted by the article of this convention. So next जो टॉपिक है वो है रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड पब्लिकेशन का। Treaties concluded by the member states of the United Nations have to be registered with the Secretariat of the United Nations. Article 102 of the Charter of the United Nations provides that every treaty and every international agreement entered into by any member of the United States nations after the present charter comes into force shall be soon as possible be registered with the Secretariat and published. So next है observation and application and interpretation of treaties. The next 8th is invalidity of treaties, and the last one is termination of treaties. Allah Hafiz.